Ashama, akkam jirtu. Hello, this is the ninth basic Afaan Oromoo lesson by Gumi Kakuu. You can find accompanying materials in the description below. In this lesson, we practice naming different parts of the body. Let's begin. Rifeensa Hair, Fuula Face, Morma Neck, Eye, Funyaan, nose, gurra, ear, hidhii, lip, ilkaan, teeth, arraba, tongue, nyaara, eyebrow, gateettii, shoulder, ciqile, elbow, irree, arm, harka, hand, quba, finger, laphee, chest, jilba, knee, koronyo, ankle, quba miila, feet, miila, leg. And now, let's slowly repeat what we learned today. Rifeensa Hair, Eye, Fuula Face, Morma Neck, irree, arm, harka, hand, quba, finger, garaa, abdomen, miila, leg, quba miila, feet, funyaan, nose, gurra, ear, afaan, mouth, ilkaan, teeth, gateettii, shoulder, ciqile, elbow, laphee, chest, taafa, thigh, jilba, knee, miila, leg. If you have any suggestions or questions, please do not hesitate to email us at kakuucollective@gmail.com. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more lessons and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Telegram for updates on our activities. Thank you. Galatoma.